Hello, good evening, and this is Young. Today I'm making a video about spelling rules in English. Spelling rules in English. We are going to look at them one after the other. Let's kickstart. So the first rule that I'm going to talk about is every word has at least one vowel. Let me write it here so that you can understand what so today we are talking about spelling rules. Spelling rules. And rule number one, we are saying that in English, every word has at least one vowel. Every word in English has at least one vowel. Okay, good. But sometimes there are some words that do not have a vowel in them. Let me give you a specific example. So example is like this word, CWM. So this word, if you look at it initially, you realize that there's no vowel. But when you write the IPA, let me write the IPA. When I write the IPA, it becomes K. And this is going to change to the U sound. So I have the M. So this W will change to U. And the M and the C, they maintained their originality. In IPA, we don't write C, but we represent with K sound. K, K. Okay? So we realize that this word, CWM, is a word. And if you write the IPA, realize that you can now pronounce it. So, K, U, M. So it's kum. Kum. The word is kum. You can research this on the Google or any dictionary. You'll find it out. It's originated from a different language. So when you find it on Google, you understand. So it's pronounced kum. This is just by the way. I just want to clarify certain thing, that even though the English said every word has a vowel, but if you look at this word I just wrote on the display, you realize that there's no vowel. But when I write the IPA, we notice that there is a vowel. This is how English is. So you cannot just learn English without learning the IPA. You cannot just learn English without learning the phonemes, how the letters are represented in pronunciation, phonemes. So now let's look at the first rule. We said that every word has at least one vowel. Let me go back a little bit. Every word has at least one vowel. That's what we said. So the spelling rules, rule number one, every word has at least one vowel. Let's go to rule number two. Rule number two, we are saying that every syllable, and I'm sorry I couldn't give you an example. So the rule number one, let's look at some example. Some examples are cat. We have a word man. Okay. And we have another example like pot. So if you look at these words, you realize that there is a vowel in each of them. So we have cat, and the vowel is A. We have man, the vowel is E.